Do you want to build self-discipline? If so, you are in the perfect place, because that's what this channel is all about. I'm Ross Jacobson, aka The Disciplined Rebel, and I'm a former procrastinator turned disciplined. I post videos with simple, practical strategies for how to build self-discipline, including how to form good habits, break bad habits, and stop procrastinating. I used to have no discipline whatsoever. I spent all day playing video games, watching TV, eating junk food, and randomly browsing the internet. After years of this pattern, I finally started figuring out how to become more self-disciplined, and my life turned completely around. Self-discipline has helped me do the things I've always wanted to do, like get in better shape, advance my career, meditate, read regularly, journal, develop better social skills, and so much more. If you want to learn how to build self-discipline, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell to get notified when new videos come out. I really appreciate your support, and if you ever have any questions for me, feel free to leave a comment on one of my videos. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your journey to build self-discipline.